know you guys are wondering, why is this video old? There's a reason why. I didn't want you guys not to see this video because it shows the prep on Friday for AutoCon on Sunday, but at the same time I had to make the trip from LA to San Diego to spend the birthday with my father-in-law, and I didn't want to miss it. And I want to show you guys because there's a lot of family moments in this, work moments, and my daughter's moments. And if any business owner tells you that they don't have a problem with blending work-life experience, they're fucking liars. Work-life balance, they're fucking liars. And it's very, very hard. So you can see in this video where I'm like all over the place working, trying to get home, and then doing a road trip, and then still trying to maintain my energy levels so that way I can spend time with the family. But this video is important for my own life documentary, but also to show you guys that I struggle with it every day. But enjoy the video nonetheless. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Ready? Back to the video. Oh, my screen is dirty. Morning, everyone. Headed to Lowe's. Gotta pick up some paint. AutoCon prep. Yeah, no worries.
You want a race?
Morning, America.
Good morning.
I heard you need to pee.
Yeah. Dude, don't, man. I'm trying to drink more water.
Let's all just make water noises.
I know, right? Like
Bloop, 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 bloop. Ooh.
Hero 5.
New toys. What the hell is that?
Power bank.
My God, you're like that one guy.
Well, no, I just one.
Just one. Is that a guitar? Nice.
He's singing guitar. Yeah.
You're so the fancy, huh?
Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Chopper with the skull, so do not test me, yeah. Ric Flair drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spent the coupe on my wrist.
Wait, we need it. Where's Edgar?
Edgar!
All together.
I think there's one sitting there.
Check it out. Let's check it out. Edgar, the master. Here. Edgar gets hold on, where's the top?
High quality.
Edgar, you get the. You want to unveil it? You want to look at it? You want to look at it? Okay, come over here.
I already know.
You already know?
Yeah. Oh, this is tough.
All right, ready? Okay, Edgar, you ready? Ready? Oh no! I want to see. Damn! Oh, this is it. Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Fuck yeah! Damn!
Woo!
This is dope.
Damn! Look at the detail. Look at this. Ghost detail.
Smells like plastic.
What you think? You like?
Sorry.
Do I say? Ah, this guy's like a side.
Not the very.
I like. Hey, there's a couple hooks there, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. Right there. Right. Ooh. Eee. Ah. John got a new car. So, hey, you sold the GT3RS?
Yeah, I traded it in.
All right. What'd you get? Woo! What is that? Oh, what did you get?
Got this new Tesla Model 3.
Ooh. Tesla Model 3, baby. Woo! As a Tesla Model 3 with a Viper, what is this? Security system?
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna get pulled over.
I know.
You're effed. Oh, shit! Cinematic time! I like it. I approve. It's a nice Tesla. Here I am trying to be like a super cool car guy. AutoCon prep my car in the trailer with the guys. Gotta be a dad at the same time. 2 dogs also. Turbo's food. He's a fucking beast. He's like 85 pounds now. Okay, Mustang. So pretty. So yeah, kind of this is my daily grind. Working, management, business development, creating new stuff, trying to have a lot of fun, trying to be a car guy, trying to be a good father and husband, trying to be a good friend. The life of the grind. Hey, I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. Maybe I would. Maybe. Ah! Car came up quick. Thank goodness for backup cameras. And then picked up lunch. I have time to cook today. I was been cooking some bomb ass food lately.
But right now we gotta pick up food, gotta rush home, change the daughter, feed the dogs, eat, stuff my face, do some work, answer some emails, also gotta pack, and then head to San Diego to spend some time with the family. Woo, 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 woo. I don't know what that was for. I just felt right. You know what's weird? I'm talking to myself. Hi people, lost it. Ooh. What? Sorry, I've obviously lost my fucking mind. Oh, we're in Lake Elsinore. I'm tired. There's a lot of traffic. Damn, look at this Cameron. I like you. Actually, we're in Temecula. We're in Temecula, actually. Hi. You like the wind? All right, let's get on the road. Made it, Aaliyah. Look where we are. It's beautiful. We're near the beach.
She's adorable.
Bam! Huh. This is cool. Hi, you want to take a quick tour?
Okay.
Wow. What's up, bro? Look at this. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh, toilet. Mm-hmm. Ooh, the sweet. Yo, balcony though? Watch your step. What? Oh shit! Am I even allowed to be out here? Yo, the views are sick. You guys afraid of heights? Unfortunately, I'm not. Damn, it's cold out here. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh my God, $17 for pho? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Alright guys, we're gonna do another escape room. I can't take you guys with us, so I'm gonna leave you in here. But I'll be back in like literally a second.
That was fun. Hello. Hello.
I'm not mommy. What did I say?
Lay down, lay down, lay down.
I love you.
Lay down.
I love you.
Pero Joy, talaga?
I love you.
He likes it?
Yeah, it's enough.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
I love this car. Thank you.
Yeah, so the video ends with me at home at that night, and I sleep for like 4 hours, and then the next day we get to AutoCon on Saturday to set up. You guys saw that video already, and then on Sunday was AutoCon, and then now we're here, now at this moment right now as I'm filming, we're post AutoCon, and we're back to the next projects. The life is a daily grind. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support again, for me vlogging again. Nonetheless, this is a life documentary on YouTube for me, just so when I get old one day, I know that how young I used to look. Right? Cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you guys next time.